Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's IPSY time. IPSY time, IPSY time. I love the pink envelope. So if you guys aren't familiar with IPSY, oh my goodness, I love this bag already. It is a monthly subscription. It is only $10 a month, at least for the US, and that includes shipping. And they will send 5 products every month, their sample size, and a makeup bag. And this makeup bag is like velour. It feels really soft. And it's a beautiful, like, I don't know, I'd call it like a rose color. And then it has a zipper pull, a little darker. And then there's a little sheet, love at first click, feel the love, it says. And then inside it tells you about each one. So let's pull them out and see what we have. We have a Merci Handy Hand Cream, and I'll read these next. I'm doing it a little different this time. This is a Rose Petal Facial Mask from Feel Harmony. This is a little baby lipstick, it looks like. It is, yes, an antimatter lipstick. Okay. And this is some IT Primer Makeup Gripping Base. And then one more thing, and this is the Petal to the Metal Va Va Voom Cream Eyeshadow. So let's start with that one, I guess. Let's see. It says, we're always excited. Oh, I'm not opening it right. Ooh, it's in the color Turbo. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and this shimmery cream eyeshadow has quickly become a new go-to. This rose gold with silver flecks blends like a dream and is totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. Use your fingers to sweep cream eyeshadow onto your lids and blend it out with your fingers. This is a deluxe sample. The value of the first full-size version is $29.50. So let's see. That's what it looks like, and let's swatch that. There we go. It's really pretty. I love the shimmer. I'd say that's a win. I will keep that one for sure. The ones that I don't keep, I give to my daughter. So, and if she doesn't want it, she gives it to one of her roommates or something. It has a little bit of strings. I'm pulling them off. And this is Rose Petal Facial Mask. And let's see, roses are more than just a Valentine's Day gift. Proof, this gel mask that's packed with a concentrated trio of rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. Together, oh, it's closed. Together they deeply hydrate, help encourage skin cell turnover, and calm redness and sensitivity to give you your glowiest skin ever. Want more calming effects with this gel mask? Store in the fridge for a little extra chill. The value of the full-size version of this product, which is 3.4 ounces, is $55. So this is 0.75 ounces. This is a lot less. So the 3.4 ounce one is, you know, going to be a larger, much larger size, but $55. So whew. And this is the Merci Handy Hand Cream Hello Sunshine. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamin and fatty acid rich sweet almond oil to help heal dry skin. Look closely, see those tiny yellow dots? Those are, oh, there's a couple. Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. So hopefully you can see a couple of those pearls in there. To wake up to softer, smoother hands, just slather on some of this cream before bed. The full size says it's valued $7, so I think this is the full size. Ooh, it does feel really nice. And the smell is strong, I guess. I don't know, that's not exactly the right word. It doesn't stink or anything. It's not my favorite scent. What does it say it is? Almond oil. It doesn't smell almondy at all. It smells a little florally. Well, it's called Hello Sunshine, and I can see that There's a scent of a perfume from Clinique that kind of smells like this. Might be Happy. I don't know. It's not my favorite scent. It's a little florally. It's not bad though, but it does feel really good, and it's not greasy at all. But oh my goodness, it does feel super good on your hands. I would totally use that, or will totally use that. And this is It Your Skin But Better Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base. Not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good-for-you ingredients like bark and ginger root extract that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. This oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores. Plus, it is so light you'll barely feel it on your skin. Dot primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and blend it out evenly with your fingers. The value of the full-size product, which is 30 milliliters, is $39, and this is just a sample size. This is 5 milliliters, so the full-size one is, this is 5, the full-size one is 30, and it's 39. And then here is the IPSY Aqua, I don't know, I'll just hold it up there. IPSY Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. Show yourself some love with this makeup that makes you look and feel amazing. Starting with dreamy rose pink color, this matte lipstick feels just as good on your lips as your go-to balm and glides on like butter. No tugging or pulling. Plus, the pretty rosy pink shade stays on for hours. Want to make this lip look even last longer? Swipe it on, blot with a tissue, and repeat twice. The value of the full-size product is $26. So this is just a little one. And let's see. It's pretty. I don't know if it's a color that I will wear or not, but it's pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take that all the way off. But it's a pretty color, and it's not as pink as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more bright pink like that, but you can see it's more subtle. It does feel good. It's worth a shot. I'll try it. So yeah, maybe I scored a 5 out of 5 on this stuff from IPSY this time. I know I at least got a 4 out of 5 because I will definitely use all 4 of these. So there we go. That's what I got in my IPSY this month. Hope that you guys try it, or at least look into it. I mean, it's nice to surprise yourself every month. I enjoy getting a little present. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.